everyone. Today we will discuss about Madhya Pradesh district wise. It is written by Mukesh Maheshwari and questions are almost covered by this book and it is written district wise. Okay, so it cover all the district of Madhya Pradesh. So let's get started. Start with Jabalpur. You can see the map of Jabalpur. Jabalpur is known as the cultural capital of MP. Remember this important point, which is known as the capital of MP, cultural capital of MP, that is Jabalpur. So here are three national highway passes: National Highway 30, NH 30, NH 34, and NH 45. So three national highway passes from Jabalpur, and two rivers, that is Narmada and Ken. And there are three minerals which found in Jabalpur. First one is iron, feldspar and marble, and surrounded by 7 districts. So remember this point, Jabalpur is surrounded by 7 districts. Now let's move to Sihora. Sihora in Jabalpur is famous for Sri Vishnu Varha temple. So here are Sri Vishnu Varha temple. Now Tewar, ancient capital place. So Tewar was a ancient capital place and famous temple of Tripur Sundari Devi. So here are famous temple of Tripuri Sundari Devi. Main center of Shivism followers in the ancient times. Now Beda Ghat and Lamheta Ghat. So these both included in list of UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2021. So recently they were added in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Site. So Beda Ghat and Lamheta Ghat. Beda Ghat, it's famous for waterfall on Narmada River and white Sangemarmar. It is famous for waterfall on Narmada River and white Sangemarmar marble. Now Tilwara Ghat, Tripura Congress session 1939. So in Tilwara Ghat, Tripuri Congress session was held in 1939. And Mahatma Gandhi holy ashes flowed into the Narmada. So Mahatma Gandhi ashes flowed into Narmada. Mala Devi temple. So Mala Devi temple situated in Tilwara Ghat. And Pijan Hari Jain temple. So Jain temple is also situated there, which name is Pijan Hari Jain temple. Now Duhandhar or Dholadhar, waterfall on river Narmada, and it is famous. Khamaria government ordnance factory. So in Khamaria government ordnance factory is situated, and International Wheat and Maize Research Center also. Now Tigwa is famous for Vishnu temple of Gupta age. Barela mausoleum of Rani Durgavati. So here are mausoleum of Rani Durgavati. And Chaucer Yogini temple, which is goddess Durga. Bargi Avanti Sagar on Narmada. Now the old name of Jabalpur. Old name is Tripuri. Jabalpur old name is Tripuri at the time of Hai dynasty. So during the time of Hai dynasty, Jabalpur is known as Tripuri. The old name of Jabalpur is Tripuri. On the name of Jabali Rishi is assumed named as Jabalipuram, now known as Jabalpur. So on the name of Jabali Rishi, it is assumed that the Jabalipuram is associated with the Jabali Rishi. So now it's known as Jabalpur. Jabalpur with surrounding territory has almost been known as Mahakoshal. So surrounding territory of Jabalpur were known as Mahakoshal. First and only in Jabalpur, only railway zone headquarter of MP formed on 1st April 2003. Second, country's first gem refining center. So it is very important that India's first gem refining center situated in Jabalpur. Highest literate district 81.1% as per the census 2011. Country's first rehabilitation center for disabled situated in Jabalpur. Largest division of MP. So Jabalpur is the largest division of MP in all the divisions. First district of MP introduced one day governance system. It is also important. First district of MP which introduced one day governance system is Jabalpur. The first agriculture university of MP 1964 were set up in Jabalpur. So these are the main points, important facts about Jabalpur. Another important facts about Jabalpur. So area 5 to 11 square kilometer, population 2460714, density 473, sex ratio 229, literacy rate is 81.1%, which is the highest literacy rate of MP is in Jabalpur. Block 7 general tehsil, there are 10 tehsil: Jabalpur, Kundam, Sihora, Majholi, Patan, Shahpura, Panagar, Adhartal, Ranchi, Gorakhpur. Jabalpur specific facts. Shri Vinoba Bhava recognized Jabalpur as cultural capital, and heavy vehicle factory set up in Jabalpur in 1955. Post and telegraph workshops, gun carriage 1944, and ordnance factory Kahmaria 1943. MP's High Court was established in Jabalpur. Gokuldas Bhavan in 1956. Various top dignitaries of freedom struggle visited Jabalpur. Example, Gandhiji arrived here 5 times. So Gandhiji arrived here 5 times. Netaji Bose was imprisoned in Jabalpur jail twice. नेताजी को 2 बार जेल में डाला गया था जबलपुर की. Jabalpur area was ruled by Kalchuris during pre-medieval period, and Jabalpur was the capital of Kalchuris. Sant Guru Nanak Dev come to Jabalpur in 15th century. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan Samaro celebrated in Jabalpur every year. So remember this Samaro, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan Samaro celebrated in Jabalpur every year. Jabalpur is the second leading center for beadi industries. Rani Avanti Bai Dam situated at Vargi village on Narmada river. So there are 2 rivers which flow in Jabalpur, Narmada and Ken, and Rani Avanti Bai Dam situated at Bargi village on Narmada river. Jhanda Satyagrah, very important. Jhanda Satyagrah 1923 was organized in Jabalpur. Hriday Shah and Shankar Shah sacrificed their life during freedom fight 1857. So let's discuss some government medical universities and colleges in Jabalpur. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Medical College 1955. Nanaji Deshmukh Veterinary Science University 2009. MP Medical Science University 2011. Ayurvedic College University in Jabalpur. Rani Durgavati University 1957. Jawaharlal Nehru Agriculture University 1964. Nanaji Deshmukh Veterinary Science University 2009. MP Medical Science University 2011. Dharmashastra National Law University 2018. Specific educational institution in Jabalpur: State Institute of Science Education, College of Pre-Matric Training Institute, College of Educational Psychology and Counseling, Agriculture Engineering College, Centers Education Institution, Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing, set up in January 2005. Various institutions of Jabalpur: Subtropical Forest Research Institute, Forensic and Health Center for Wildlife, MP Rural Development Institute, National Wood Control Center, Bedaghat Waterfall, Purandhar, Rani Durgavati Museum, Chausat Yogini Temple and Vishnu Varha Temple. Okay, ghats banks around Jabalpur: Bedaghat, Tilwara Ghat, Jilhani Ghat, Gavari Ghat, Khari Ghat, Ajaypuri Goswami, Lamhita Ghat, Brahman Ghat, and Gopal Ghat. And there are other education institution which is Mahatma Gandhi Community Development Training Center,